1. Advanced running metrics. Garmin has always been a leader in running analytics, and the Forerunner 975 is expected to raise the bar. Stride length tracking monitors how far you move with each step, helping identify running efficiency. Ground contact time measures how long your foot stays on the ground, key for analyzing form. Vertical oscillation measures how much you bounce while running. Lower values generally indicate more efficient movement. Form efficiency tools aimed at reducing injury risk and improving performance for runners and triathletes. Red Heart 2. Heart rate tracking and ECG. New Elevate V5 optical heart rate sensor, rumored. Higher accuracy and responsiveness. Better during high-intensity or interval training sessions. ECG level readings. Could offer medical-grade heart monitoring, aiding in heart rhythm tracking and safe exertion levels. Heart rate variability, HRV, monitoring. Important for stress tracking, recovery status, and improved VO2 max accuracy. Chart increasing 3. VO2 max and fitness scoring improvements. Enhanced algorithms based on more accurate HRV and heart rate data. Ideal for endurance athletes to monitor fitness improvements over time. Could help tailor weekly training loads and provide better fatigue insights. Robot Phase 4. AI coaching and smart training features. Adaptive workouts. AI suggests training based on fatigue, past performance, and recovery. Real-time stamina tracking shows how much energy is left in the tank during workouts. Race time predictions based on training data and current fitness levels. Battery 5. Battery life plus solar charging. Solar charging support, likely inherited from Enduro and Phoenix series. Extends battery life using sunlight, ideal for ultra-runners and hikers. Custom power modes. Disable certain features to extend battery during long events. Improved GPS efficiency. Uses smarter satellite connectivity to save power. Satellite antennas 6. Multiband GNSS and navigation upgrades. Multiband GNSS accesses multiple satellite bands simultaneously. GPS, GLONASS, Galileo. Delivers higher location accuracy, even in urban canyons or dense forests. Offline topographic maps. Useful for navigation in remote areas. Step-by-step turn navigation. Great for runners, cyclists, and hikers. Enhanced route planning. Supports preloaded courses and spontaneous rerouting. Desktop computer 7. Display and build design. AMOLED display, brighter and sharper. Better visibility in direct sunlight. Potentially improved refresh rate and touchscreen responsiveness. Durable build. Rumored to be more resistant to elements, rain, heat, mud. Smaller, lighter variant. May include a more compact option for slimmer wrists, without sacrificing power. Mobile phone 8. Smartwatch features. Internal storage. 16 gigabytes to 32 gigabytes rumored. Ample space for music, offline maps, and workout history. Bluetooth audio support. Stream music directly to wireless headphones. No phone needed. Possible additions. Bluetooth calling. Voice assistant compatibility. Built-in microphone and speaker. Credit card 9. Garmin Pay removal, rumored. Controversial decision. May be removed to improve battery life. Garmin seems to prioritize performance and endurance over lifestyle features. Calendar 10. Expected launch date. Between April, June 2025. Aligned with peak training season and summer sports events.